Hey guys, Chase here, Southern Sky Farm. We are back at it on July the 5th, I believe. Yep, July the 5th at 7:13 in the evening. So we're going to move the cows, we're going to go over and take care of the pigs this evening. We do have Samson in here. He is our bull. He was the first just general cow born on our farm. We kept him, and then he is a bull in our herd breeding our cattle back, and he is looking good. Hey Sam, how you doing, boy? How you doing, Sam? He's a big bull, so he's doing excellent. So let's get these counted up, and then we'll get them moved to the next pasture. This grass right here, they've crushed the grass, but we're doing a lot better than we have been, especially since last year. So let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so we have all 8 of them. We'll get everybody moved through. And on to greener pastures. Easy. And we have... See the cows, girl? See the cows? Yes, Alright, let's move them. Girls! And then we have Mom in the background. We have that one calf. He doesn't want to get up. He's over there chewing cud. But it's time to move, little guy. So Mom will get them two popped over. And they're gonna run around. They've got these pastures are a lot bigger. This one and the next one over are the two smallest. We're gonna end up probably taking up this middle one here, combining these two small ones and making one big one. And we did the same thing here earlier. This used to be split up into 2 paddocks, but obviously we're in July now. It has definitely been a lot hotter, and we are trying to have the most impact on our actual ground, but not trying to damage our grass too bad just because the hot weather is really crushing the growth of the grass. We have baby cow here. Hello, baby cow. And we still have a little uncooperative calf. But every single time we move the cows, we go back. I'm gonna grab their minerals, get him moved over, and get him closed up. And then we'll pop down there and get the automatic waterer ready to rock and roll and fixed up for this paddock right here. So let's make it happen. Good girl. Slide. Slide. Good girl. All right, so they also had the water open for this paddock here. Now I just have to open up the water for this paddock, but just allow them to get in this area right here to get water, and then that's it. That allows all this right here to recover. You can see we have some trails in there. They are being moved every day, so that's just the use of the same trail over and over again, quicker, just because we're making our paddock so much smaller. We used to have them when we first started and the grass was really rolling, was almost an acre. So we had it basically right here, and we had that all the way around, kind of wagon wheeling around the water that's behind me. But since it's gotten hotter, we took 2 paddocks that were here and then made them into 1 paddock. So let's get the waterer set up. All right, come on, girl. Daisy. All right, so she wanted some water, but I didn't have it quite set up yet. But this is just literally, we make it this easy. We already have everything set up for now, and then we just come through here. I moved one wire that way, I moved a wire this way, and the cows are ready to get water. Check the water, make sure it's doing all right. And we're done. Moving the cows is just made that simple, and we have the minerals over there. When I go back out that direction, then I'm gonna back fence them so they can't get back over here. And their water is open. Samson is in there doing his job, and we're making it just that simple to get the cow herd moved quickly and covering ground as fast as possible. So I'm gonna go up there. I might try to get a little bit of shots of the cows eating, and the next thing is we're gonna roll to the pigs, and we're going to give them some snack. It's not obviously much, but it's leftovers. We don't want it to go to waste, and we'll give those to the pigs. Easy, girl. Hey, little guys. Hey. Alright guys, these are our little guys. We did bring them a few treats. I'll wait till Mom gets back to give them their treats, because she's up there turning the water on. I hear a little bit of clicking over here, so oops. Got a little bit of a stick on here. And then let's go around and check this to make sure everything is still looking good. Something over there crawling around. Going down here, checking this. And then all the rest of this looks good. And y'all can see them. Hey, little rascals! No. No. You're fine. Good girl. And we have some treats. Come on, guys and girls. Hey, want to dribble these for you? Come on. Quiet. They like the tomatoes.
Well, tomorrow it's going to be raining about the next couple days possibly.
Alrighty guys, well the water's about to start overflowing here, so that's going to be all for our farm chores today. We moved the cows, got them their water switched over, got the minerals moved over to them, brought the pigs another couple buckets of grain, and we filled up 2 water sources, this one right here and then the one over here to my left. And for the next day or two it's going to rain, so they're going to have plenty of water. But that'll be all for this knocking out the farm chores this evening on July the 5th. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like our channel, subscribe to our channel, comment below, and watch our little piglets grow up. Thanks for watching, guys.